thank you for giving so many likes for our last video, and we really enjoyed your feedback, and we hope you guys try to cook custard kheer. So today we got a bit of surprise for you for our second video. It's a Father's Day tomorrow, so this little one, Kushi, Chef the Kushi, decided to cook something for her dad, and her mom gonna give her a hand to cook. So we're gonna, well, actually it's better if Chef Kushi will tell you all guys what she's gonna cook. Kushi, what you going to cook today?
Roast potatoes, cheesy chicken sandwich, garlic bread pizza and it's Choco Lawa bread.
Okay, so we're going to make a roast potatoes, garlic cheesy chicken sandwich, cheesy chicken sandwich, and we're going to make Pizza Hut style garlic bread. Yeah?
And Swedish is Choco Lawa.
Choco Lawa. Choco Lawa bread. Okay, so that's 4 dishes we're going to make today. Wow, so you guys excited, yeah, to see how we're gonna cook all these 4 dishes. Okay, first thing first, before we touch any food, we're going to wash our hands, yeah guys? 30 seconds hand wash? Cool. Okay, Chef Kushi, what are we going to make first today?
Roast potatoes.
So we're going to make roast potatoes. So are you going to show us how we're going to do it here? Okay. So first we're going to take 4 potatoes. So we're going to just cut them into circles. Just like that. A bit more thick, I think would be better.
Bit more thick.
That's great. Just like this. We finish with the cutting potatoes, so we can decorate them into oven tray. So as you can see, sprinkle with olive oil. Then we're going to use chili flakes, salt,
Rainbow pepper.
rainbow pepper.
Like a rainbow.
So we're just basically giving a bit of flavor before we roast these potatoes. Sprinkle some salt and some chili flakes. So you can, keep the sprinkles how you want according to your taste and flavor. If you want to make it a bit more hotter, spicy, you can put some extra stuff. You can put a bit more chili as well if you like, so just according to your own taste. So here we go, potatoes are going into the oven now. So make sure you got adult helping the kids, so anything dangerous related to ovens. Okay, sorry, so 166, yeah, so the temperature 166. How many minutes we need to roast them for?
Around 20 to 25 minutes.
20 to 25 minutes. Okay guys, we're moving on to the next one now. So here we go, potatoes are going into the oven now. So make sure you got adult helping the kids, so anything dangerous related to ovens. Okay, sorry, so 166, yeah, so the temperature 166. How many minutes we need to roast them for?
Around 20 to 25 minutes.
20 to 25 minutes. So there we go, all the potatoes done, so we have just taken them out from the oven. So remember, the perfect timing is 20 to 25 minutes. Kushi, what are we going to make now?
Pizza Hut style garlic bread.
Pizza Hut style garlic bread. So, yeah.
We have to smash it. Garlic pepper.
So we got garlics. We're not going to chop it, we're going to smash it.
Smash. This is a weird shape.
4 to 5 cloves ka na.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I can see that. My hand is wet.
So as you guys can see, it needs to be properly smashed. 4 to 5 cloves will do the job. Okay, after smashing the garlics, what else we need, Kushi Chef?
We need butter 75 grams.
Yeah.
I use 2 onions.
Finely chopped onions.
And chili,
Red and green chili, finely
and
chopped.
mozzarella and cheese.
any kind of cheese they can use.
Bun bread and chili flakes.
Cool. So we ready to, yeah? So you're going to explain us how we're gonna do it now, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
After you put smash pie,
Mm-hmm.
you put the butter in this plate. Now we put the butter in here.
Into the
And
pan.
it doesn't have to be microwaved with. It can come out to the fridge. And
So we're going to basically melt all the butter, yeah?
yeah.
So this is the base, yeah.
We don't use in the freezer one. Just
Okay.
the normal butter.
No, you can use freezer one.
It's not a freezer one. Otherwise it's not melted. Which is
So we're just going to use the normal butter, not the frozen one.
Me store it.
So we're going to melt all the butter.
And we need to put the garlic in before it's fully melted. Or it won't work.
All the garlic is going into the butter.
And now you have to wait till it's the garlic floating up.
butter melt करना फिर ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਸੀਂ 4 to 5 garlic ਪਾਣੇ ਆ ਜਦ ਤੱਕ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ ਜਦ ਤੱਕ garlic floating ਨਾ ਹੋਣ ਲੱਗ ਪਣ ਮਤਲਬ ਉੱਪਰ ਤੱਕ ਨਾ ਆ ਜਾਣ
So now it's floating, so we turn the gas off. And
Okay, so ਹੁਣ garlic float ਕਰਦੇ ਪਏ butter ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ. So gas ਨੂੰ turn off ਕਰ ਦੇਣਾ.
ਤਦ ਤੱਕ ਠੰਡਾ ਹੋਣ ਤੱਕ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹਦੀ ਵੇਟ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ
Okay, what we going to do, Kushi, now?
now we're going to put the garlic and spread it on here. But you don't want to pour it on.
So we're gonna
or it
spread it
won't
once the
cook.
garlic is cold. Basically the butter is cold, isn't it?
No, it's
ਯਾ garlic ਥੋੜਾ ਟੱਚ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ ਨਾ ਪਾਣਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਉੱਪਰ ਹੈਗਾ ਜਸਟ ਵਿਦ ਟੱਚ
Just with the brush, yeah. So basically we're going to use a burger bread and with the brush we're going to give a touch of butter, garlic. So we're going to put the butter on both sides of the bread.
Back side ਤੇ ਵੀ ਲਗਾਉਣਾ ਪੜਦਾ just touching
we're going to sprinkle the cheese on. Not a lot because that's because with the one. Now we get the onion and sprinkle it on. Now we sprinkled it on.
Yeah, so we're going to sprinkle now with
Chili.
chili.
You can put,
Red and green chili.
you can put some
Mix it
green
up.
on it as well.
It's all ready to go in oven.
Now we have to put a lot of cheese because it's going to go cheesy.
So we're going to fill it up with the full cheese as much as possible now to make it more cheesy.
Yeah.
So कोई भी चीज़ यूज़ कर सकते हैं अपने टेस्ट मुताबिक. We used mozzarella cheese, but it will be mature, medium, whatever you like.
And now we put salt on the taste.
So taste ਲਈ ਅਸੀਂ ਥੋੜਾ ਲੂਣ ਵੀ ਪਾ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ. It's all up to you. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਨਾਲ ਸਵਾਦ ਮੁਤਾਬਕ ਥੋੜਾ ਥੋੜਾ ਸਪ੍ਰਿੰਕਲ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ.
To make it nice and spicy.
So what you using, Kushi? Chili flakes.
Chili flakes.
Oh, that's going to be spicy garlic bread, isn't it?
Yeah.
I can already feel the taste.
Me too.
It's all ready to go in the oven.
You use the oven tray with hose because then the heat will go underneath as well, so it's
Okay.
properly cooked.
So make sure ਕਰਿਓ ਕਿ ਜਿਹੜੀ oven tray use ਕਰਨੀ ਆ ਉਹਦੇ ਥੱਲੇ ਵੀ ਹੋਲ ਹੋਣ ਤਾਂ ਕਿ garlic bread ਦੋਨਾਂ ਪਾਸੇ heat ਹੋ ਸਕੇ properly. Now we're going to put this in the oven as well. Yeah. As we can see, our potatoes are getting roasted and now garlic bread is also in there. How long we need it?
4 to 5 minutes
4 to 5 minutes. Cool. Now we're going to check garlic bread. Just want to double check is it ready or not. Oh wow, that looks awesome. So We got garlic bread ready, roasted potato ready. Hey, Chef Kushi, what are we going to make as the third dish now?
We're gonna make cheesy chicken sandwich.
Cheesy chicken sandwich. Wow, what do we need for that?
We need chicken breast, egg, plain flour, cheese, and nachos to push later.
We're going to crush it later. So sanu chicken breast chahidiya, ande, maida, cheese, and nachos. So nachos as we crush karne later on. So why you decided to make this special dish? So your dad loves chicken.
Now we have to cut it into half and open it up.
Oh, okay, so we have to cut the chicken breast in half.
And then we get some cling film and we put it on top.
Okay.
Then we get this and we squash it. And that's really good then.
Oh, so we have to squash the chicken. So chicken breast ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਅੱਧ ਚ ਕੱਟ ਲੈਣਾ like a sandwich and ਫਿਰ ਉਹਦੇ ਤੇ cling film ਲਾ ਕੇ so we just need to crush ਕਰਨਾ ਉਹਨੂੰ chicken ਨੂੰ. So just basically make it flat. So now chicken is ready.
So now we get the piece of chicken and go and you put it there and you go like this.
It's very interesting.
So
So you basically need to make a sandwich, just a cheese sandwich.
and then we put it in flour.
Plain flour. And then basically, yeah, make sure it goes on properly on both sides of the chicken.
Then put it in the egg.
So we're going to dip that in the egg again.
Then we put it in the nachos.
So we need to dip that into the crushed nachos. Wow, that's already looking delicious to me.
Now my mommy's gonna put it in. And only add the soup with this because it can hurt you.
So only adults are allowed to use. Put the chicken, ready chicken into the oil. So we're gonna fry it. So we have to fry it until the chicken turns golden brown.
Yeah.
So make sure don't let the kids use and kids stay away from the pan, just in case hot oil can burn the skin very quickly.
I can't do it because I'm still a baby.
This one looks perfect.
Kushi made it.
Yeah, Chef Kushi.
It's for Kushi. Nom nom.
High five to you.
High five.
So here we go. Chicken is ready as well. So it looks nice and crispy chicken. Hey Chef Kushi. So fourth and last dish for today. What are we going to do?
Choco Lawa bread.
Choco Lawa bread. So that means it's going to be dessert, am I wrong?
Yeah.
Yeah, we got dessert, okay.
So first you get the bread.
Yeah.
You get the circle paper. And then you cut it.
Oh, so bread. We need to cut that. Cool.
And then you put it to the side.
So what other material do we need?
We need chocolate and melted chocolate.
Chocolate,
And sprinkles.
melted chocolate strands, and sprinkles.
And water.
So we can use fruit and nut and normal plain chocolate, yeah?
And water.
And some water. Okay.
So this is chocolate. This is the fruit and nut one. And now get your finger and water. Now you put it on the side.
So just finger पानी च dip करके side on the bread press कर देनी है. Just want to put one chocolate in there, yeah? Like two pieces of basic. Oh, bread. Wow, that looks nice.
And then you put it on the pan.
So once it's ready, then it will look like this. Yeah. So now we're ready to
put them on.
pan.
Put it on the
Basically fry them.
yeah.
That looks awesome.
You don't want to press it, otherwise the chocolate won't melt.
So ਉਹਨੂੰ press ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈਗਾ, ਨਹੀਂ ਤਾਂ chocolate ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ melt ਹੋ ਜਾਣੀ ਹੈ. So just leave it as it is. Bread ਨੂੰ fold ਕਰਕੇ.
You have to wait till it's golden brown.
ਜਿੰਨਾ ਚਿਰ golden brown ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਚਿਰ wait ਕਰਨੀ ਹੈ. So you can see it's nearly getting golden brown. So once they're golden brown, that means they're ready. So make sure they've done both sides properly. And remember, press nahi karna. So here we go. They're all ready. Now Kushi going to decorate them. Sprinkle hot chocolate. That's already looking delicious, Kushi. So we're going to use the sprinkles. So you can basically use decorations as many as you want to use. She likes sprinkles, so she's going to use. Chocolate strands and sprinkles for a decoration. If you don't have chocolate strands or sprinkles, you can, use any other decoration available for cakes or chocolate at home. And this is your evening dessert ready. Everything is homemade, so we hope you guys will enjoy cooking at home. Most of the things cooked by our little chef Kushi, and she had help from her great mama Billy. We're just ready to show you all the dishes together. She's going to show us the desserts, what it look like from inside.
On my fingers.
Oh my god, that looks so awesome. Can't wait to try. So this is our meal, all finished and ready to eat. The roasted potatoes, our homemade garlic bread, boiled, and our cheese chicken sandwich. So we hope you guys will like cooking at home, and don't forget to taste our delicious dessert. And this has been so beautiful, looking so beautiful as well, and I hope it will be tasty as well. Kushi, you want to say anything? No. Hi little Reed, do you like to say anything for us?
If you like this video, like, subscribe and leave a comment down below. Bye.
Thank you.